100 people comment RIP in the comment section. When you really think about it, we never make Donna Lee Donnelson sleep in peace. 500 people like this video, more people subscribe to the channel. Protection Fridays it is. Listen to this.
She's somebody's sister. She's somebody's friend. She's somebody's aunt. She's somebody's cousin. And we are gathered here today, family and friends. And I want to thank each and every one of you out here today who took the time out to stand with me. Those who can't stand with us here, please join us at Emancipation Park. We will gather there and then we will finalize from there. Alright? We want justice for Donna Lee. Call her name! What's her name? We want justice! When we want it! No! When we want it! No! When we want it! No! Justice! We are just waiting until we get a couple more people here, since as we was told, we put it for the clock, so we will wait here to meet with a couple people. But if anybody miss us, meet us at Emancipation. That's where we are going to be, Emancipation Park. Alright? We need justice, and that's why we are here to remind you guys that on the 28th of April, we will be going back to court for trial.
Everybody jump on that. On the 28th of April, we will join again for another case. The trial begins for NOEL MAITLAND. The brutal act that he has done to my daughter on the 12th of July 2022. My condolences goes out to the other mothers who have lost their child. My condolence goes out to all the family members who today is in the same shoes like mine.
Hi.
For the others who have never experienced losing a loved one, I want you to stand with us. You never know when it will reach your doorstep. Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. And because of that, we want to stand here today and let you know that justice must be served. We won't back down until justice is served. We are not more concerned about the justice system like how we are concerned about Noel telling us where and what he did with Donna Lee Donnelson. They said he's in the lockup right now waiting for trial. Why can't he confess? Why can't he talk? What happened to Donna Lee Donnelson? We're tired of the hush-hush. We're tired of the hush-hush. And I know it alone know about this murder. And I know it know about this unalive case. Somebody else know. Somebody else need to talk. We need justice. We want to know where Donna Lee is. No justice. Come on, people. No justice.
Hi guys, everybody know our TikTok page because we're going live on TikTok.
What's her name? Call her name.
Alright, so I'm not going to waste some more of the time. When you really think about it, Donna Lee Donnelson now rest in peace. When you really think about it, she's not resting in peace. Everybody drop RIP in the comment section right now for Donna Lee Donnelson. Rest in peace for her. You understand? We talk about justice and justice and justice and justice. But the spirit of Donna Lee Donnelson not resting. Not when her mother and her situation is not solved. She cannot rest in peace. She can't rest in peace, everybody. You understand? And that this tragedy Big up to me Sophia Lug. And if you know you stand with her, everybody right now, all the real mothers, all the real fathers, everybody, press the like button. For me Sophia Lug, who is still in the streets after so many years chanting justice for her daughter. She's a real mother. You know much people would have give up, pack up and go home and accept the fact Miss Sophia Lug hasn't done a funeral, hasn't done a night, hasn't done a memorial, hasn't done anything pertaining to Donna Lee Donaldson. That is because of her conviction, her belief that she will not give up the fight for her daughter. And as you hear she say a while ago, she's somebody's auntie, she's somebody's sister, she's somebody's friend, she's somebody's niece, she's somebody's daughter. You understand? It is heartbreaking. Everybody drop RIP inside of the comment section. Rest in peace. You understand? Now the reason for this now development, it is because Constable Noel Maitland's case literally is in 3 days. And as I said to you before, I just do what I do with my platform, the one who bless me with and the Almighty, to keep the name alive. This now going to become a 9-day talk. This tragedy of this magnitude. You understand? Now JCF has theorized that she has been dropped. Not a bone or a finger or an eyelash hasn't been found since. You all know the tragedy already. You understand me? But everybody drop RIP in the comment section for her. Rest in peace. We talk about justice. Sophia Lug, which is the mother, says no justice, no peace. But we're saying right now, rest in peace. You understand? We could bid our farewell. Not really many people do that. You understand? And say rest in peace. Because we don't want she become a rolling stone in the spiritual realm. You understand? Now, in the next 3 days, which is going to be the 7th, the accused is going in front of the courts. 3-day time. And this is the time now that Miss Sophia Lug is asking for your support. As much as you did in the past. Stand with her one last time. One last round. One last outpouring of love and support. She's asking you to stand with her. Now, the next 3-day time is going to be April 7th of this year. And he's now set to appear in front of the courts. And that is the accused Constable Noel Maitland. Now, that date was arrived at when the matter was heard in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston on Wednesday for a plea and case management hearing. Now, appearing in a Zoom or via Zoom, Maitland was advised that his case is expected to be tried over an 8-week period with 7-member jury as opposed to being tried by a judge alone. Now, a trial readiness hearing was already set in January, which was to ensure that the witness statements and other relevant evidentiary materials were in place. Now, Maitland was subsequently remanded in custody. Now, the police have also said that the policeman is a music producer and has been in custody since July 2022, the 27th of July 2022. Now, this after being charged with the dropping of Donna Lee Donaldson and preventing lawful burial. Donaldson has never been found, though the police have theorized that she was dropped inside Maitland's Chelsea Manor New Kingston apartment and them dash her away, is what they're saying. Now, she was reportedly last seen alive at the apartment, and prosecutors have said that the forensic analyst has established that blood stains were found in the apartment belonging to the social media influencer. Alright? Yeah. Now, Donaldson was reportedly last seen there. Now, the police have theorized that it was between the hours of 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. on July 12th, the last day cell site analysis placed her phone as well as Maitland's phone in the same vicinity of the apartment. Investigators believe that Maitland acted alone in the dropping of Donaldson, but theorized that he may have received help for dash her away. Amid the raft of allegations against him, Maitland has maintained his innocence. Okay? Drop RIP in the comment section, everybody. Press like on the video for Donna Lee Donaldson. Support our mother, Sophia Lug. Okay? 3 days time. I can share the video more to come down. Go away, I will be back.